Hi, I'm Wally Brill with a really simple explanation of a process for using machine learning to train AI in image recognition. But first we need to decide what we want to recognize. In this case, let's say it's a cat. We want the machine to recognize any image of a cat that it encounters. At the same time, it needs to understand that things that don't meet the criteria for cats are, by definition, not cats. So how can we teach it to distinguish between the two? First, we show it a big set of pictures that have been labeled as being images of cats or not. The machine looks at what the images labeled cat have in common: whiskers, pointy ears, 4 legs, tail, etc. Next, we show it loads of pictures that we haven't labeled and ask it to decide which ones are cats and which ones aren't. At this stage, it's going to make a lot of mistakes, but that's okay. Give it a break. It's learning. Then, actual humans review the responses and mark them as being correctly or incorrectly labeled by the machine. The corrected responses are fed back to the machine to train it to improve its recognition. What's next? Well, we retest the machine by showing it more unlabeled images and asking it to tell us which ones are cats. Depending upon how well it does, we'll repeat the process and do it again until it can reliably determine that a cat is a cat. And that's it. Now, don't get me wrong, in reality it's a tiny bit more complicated, but in principle, that's the story. Thanks for watching.